Hi all. I just want to show you today. This is the ebook. I just launched it. I wrote this ebook, and in view, a lot of us may not be aware there's a way to make money with the TikTok, right? I think in fact that could be the easier way to make money with affiliate marketing, right? So this is all about TikTok Shop. Right? TikTok Shop is way something business model that the Amazon whereby you can join as an affiliate and sell their physical product. It could be any kind of product, home appliance, could be electronic product. It could be anything on your daily you use from home. Anything about home and yourself, right? So anything can be found from Amazon can also be found in the TikTok workshop. But many of us are not aware this is in fact becoming a TikTok shop affiliate. In fact, is an easier way to make money, right? In 2024. So a lot of us are just get used to selling digital product. Join the digital product affiliate from Water Plus or Jerryju, but we may not be aware there's other way to make money by becoming affiliate to the TikTok shop. So in this ebook, I'm giving you an insight explanation how with all the steps from the beginning, how we can actually qualify yourself to become a TikTok shop affiliate, right? And what are the steps to follow? Uh, and you need to have a TikTok account, how we can grow your follower, things like that, and how we can actually qualify to become an affiliate to the TikTok shop, and also about our insight, what is a marketing approach, how you can create your own video, because on your own product video, or you can make use of TikTok shop for video. They have a function inside TikTok shop you can actually promote, create your own promote video. Right? So all this can be found in this ebook from the beginning to the end, how you can actually become a TikTok shop affiliate, start uh, growing your account and get yourself qualified and start selling the TikTok shop affiliate and start making commission. Right. So this is only $1. I'm actually giving you an offer price $1. You can get this ebook, and I have spent weeks to actually to write this ebook, compounding all the different information, right? So here you say, this is a special ebook now, unveiling TikTok secret, the ultimate guide to profiting with TikTok shop affiliate, right? So learn the insider strategy to leverage TikTok's massive audience, master content creation. And a lot of you may have grown your TikTok follower to probably thousand or over thousand. Some could be have millions, right? But do you know there's a way to make money of all this audience of follower besides just selling them physical product, make money online, wealth creation, and there is other way you can incorporate TikTok's affiliate, TikTok's shop into your account and start promoting their affiliate and make commission 10, 15, or even 20% of commission, right? So all this is well explained in this ebook, right? So I hope you get the idea here, right? And I'm sure you will love this, right? There's other ways you can make money with social media, right? Just besides just we're talking about how to grow the follower TikTok, and here is where you are with the massive audience follower you have. You should make use of all these follower to actually to become your buyer of the TikTok shop product itself. Right? So that is the whole idea here, and how is the potential of the TikTok shop affiliate. You can make use. A lot of people have been so successful creator of TikTok shop and then makes so much commission on a daily basis, right? And some even make 40, 50,000 or even 100,000 dollar per month selling TikTok shop product. And this is so simple to do, right? And compared to other affiliate marketing, right? I'm sure this is the simplest way to make money use with affiliate marketing is a TikTok shop affiliate. So find out more inside my ebook, and I'm going to explain to you everything from head to tail, what you need to do, and what is the next step to follow, and how you can start making first commission. Right. So thank you so much for watching my sharing video. I hope you will click the link below this video, and I'm going to leave this page, the link to this page below this video. And if you are interested, just click on this pinky button, and it will take you to the Voila Plus sales page to buy this only for $1, right? It's only for $1. I'm also giving you this offer to you for limited time, right? Later, I'm going to be I'm going to actually increase the price, right? So, yep. So that's all for today, and I hope you enjoy my sharing, right? I wish you all the best in your online journey, right? Thank you so much. Bye.